How you doing? In this video, we're gonna look at the Windows File Explorer. Come on now. Quick way to access it is down on the taskbar, File Explorer. Click there and it's gonna show up, right? Now all of this here is the File Explorer window, right? The File Explorer is made out of, well, of course, the Windows bar. Come on now. But then right here, these are all the options that you normally get when you right click like this, right? So for example, if I come down on, let me see, pictures like this. When I right click here, views is already here. See views, sort by, group by, new, properties. All of these things are here. Cut, paste, all of these things are here. Here's the new, this is how you create folders and shortcuts. And right here, sorry, my mouse is just playing tricks on me. Right here is the cut. Let me just select something. You see, I can cut it, I can copy, I can paste, I can rename it, I can share, I can delete, right? And here are all the options here. I can even set it as background quickly. We have even more options over here, like compressing the file and more ways to select and properties and stuff like that, right? So they just made it quickly accessible and straightforward, right? Great. Now over here is the back button, right? You click here, you go back, okay? Click, you go back where you were. You click here, you go forward, right? That's pretty simple, right? Over here is the recent locations, right? And over here is when you want to go to this PC or desktop. You click here, it goes to this PC folder. You can even click again and you would even end up straight to the desktop, right? Great. Over here is the location or the path panel, right? Yes, the path panel, right? You can see everything, where you've been, where you're going and all that, right? Over here, right? By the way, let's go back to the pictures. Yes. You see, it shows here where you were, where you got the pictures and where you are right here, right? And right over here, you can do a little preview of the location. You can refresh right here, right? When you refresh, remember when you right click like this, you would get refresh here. Well, on Windows 11, you don't have that anymore unless you have to click and go to show more. And now you have refresh over here, right? But of course, we don't want that. We have it here. So right now you can just click here and refresh, right? Good. Over here is the search bar, right? But then this is not for the whole computer. It's for this selected folder right here. Make sense? Yes. Over here we have the navigation panel, right? The navigation panel consists of quick access, and of course, without this, it's not Windows. We have this PC over here, right? You can click this, arrows here to make them smaller or minimize them, make them large like this. Basically, what this is parent files, right? It's a parent file. This is a parent file for this here. So this here is the selection, right? This is where I select and preview, right? But over here is where
no battery, please charge.
No, you're disturbing me. Stop that. Stop that. Sorry about that. This is where I preview, of course, and this is where I get the file, right? Yes. Over here is the grid view, okay? Grid layout, right? And over here is the list layout, right? Yeah, so if you just feel like, you're not the grid guy, you can just go ahead and click here and make it list. If you're not a list guy, you can click here and make it a grid, all right? Great. Down here it's just quick. For example, right now it says 22 items, right? This is the, let me see if we can get the right name for it. Details preview. Yeah, it's the details short preview. If I don't know, it doesn't have a name. The corner preview detail, I don't know what to call it, right? Great. Now over here, as you can see, it says 22 items. Over here, there are 22 items, right? Yes, if I do this right here, you see it says selected 22 items, right? So if I want to know this, the size of it, I'll just click it like this, select it, and it will show here one item selected and the size of it, right? Great. So pay attention to this. Don't click and try to go to properties and find out how big it. No. You can just click and look down. Oh, this is okay. Great. And then keep going, right? Yes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the File Explorer, right? So basically what it does is it explores files, right? Yeah, it explores files. Now I have other videos where I explain everything here, the sort out, how to sort things and how the view right here, how to view things and compact and show and all this right here. I have a video where I explain all of this. So go ahead and check out that video and yeah, just learn things and just become, as good as you can, right? Great. Now put a subscription down below, put a comment if you have a question. I'm ready for you. And I will see you in a scroll.